Top 10 Best Air Conditioning Line Repair Tools. Top 1. Yellow Jacket 95730 LTE Refrigerant Recovery Unit. 1/2 horsepower, twin-cylinder, oil-less compressor for fast recovery of refrigerants including R410A. Lightweight at less than 25 pounds. System designed for high-load conditions. Top 2. Appion G1 Single Refrigerant Recovery Machine, 115 vac, 60 Hz, 10 amp, 10.3 inches height, 9.4 inches width, 11.38 inches length. Top 3. UView 570,000 Vacuum Antifreeze Drain and Fill. Simply connects to the radiator filler neck or reservoir tank. No need to cut header hoses or disconnect radiator hoses. Safely stores used coolant in a large 12-gallon, 45.4 L, holding reservoir. Top 4. I SuperVac 21 CFM Commercial-Grade Dual-Stage Chemical-Resistant Vacuum Pump with Filter. Electrical requirements: 220 V 60 Hz single-phase, 1100 watts. Pumping rate: 21.2 CFM. Ultimate vacuum without gas ballast, 0.3 micron milliliter. Oil volume: 2 liter/2.1 quart. Unit shipping dimensions: LXWXH, 21x7.5x12/29.5x9.5x16.5. Top 5. CPS 12 CFM 2-stage ignition-proof vacuum pump, VPS 12DU. Top 6. NAVAC NRP8D Smart Vacuum Pump, 8 CFM. DC technology. Automatic control valve. Twin cylinder. 115V/60 Hz. Top 7. Heavy Duty Appliance Mover, AM 2400. 2 inches WX 36 inches LX1/8T air beams made from high-grade US aluminum. 4 horsepower/120V/11.3 amp blower with or without vacuum, with or without variable speed control. Hoses connectors for 30 inches maximum air beam spread. 4. Plastic rough surface adapters, RSAs, each 10 inches WX 36 inches L. Top 8. Fieldpiece VP85 2-stage 8 CFM vacuum pump. Package dimensions: 48.006 HX 25.4 LX 34.544 centimeters. Package weight: 14.492 kilograms. Top 9. Testo 05632557 I Digital Manifold Kit for air conditioning, refrigeration systems and heat pumps. I4 valve HVAC gauge with Bluetooth and set of 4 hoses. Efficient. The Testo 557 is ideal for servicing air conditioners, refrigeration systems and heat pumps and replaces the multitude of tools needed by HVAC contractors and technicians. Versatile. Accurately measure high and low pressure, evaporation and condensation temperature and take advantage of the automatic calculation of superheating and subcooling. Top 10. Yellow Jacket 93540 Superevac Single-Phase Pump, 4 CFM, 115V, 60 Hz.
All of these items are available on Amazon.com. I have included all the links in the description. You can check out the links for latest price. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button below. Share with your friends, and be sure to subscribe.